Our topic for today is about Filipino cheater versus foreigner cheater. A foreigner cheater will say to the new woman or to the new girl, hey, is it okay with you that we will have fun even though I have a girlfriend or a wife? Is that okay with you? That we still have casual, intimate relationship? While Filipino cheater, they will have to say to the girl, hey, you know what? We already broke up with my wife. We already broke up with my girlfriend. And is it okay with you that we would be my next girlfriend? I really like you. And say. So, yeah, foreigners are so upfront that they will have to tell you honestly what are their situation. While Filipino, even though that they are still in a problem or they are not yet really broke up, but they still like to hook up with another woman. So yeah, it's up to you to choose, and so far that's the difference. Okay, so in Bisaya, if foreigner cheater versus Filipino cheater, foreigner cheater, they will say, babe, okay ra ba nimo nga magkuyog-kuyog ta, we will have intimate relationship, bisan og lang ako'y uya, bisan na ako'y asawa. While ang Filipino, bisan og nag-away ra sila, paggawas nila sa ilang balay, mayon day na sila sa usa ka bayi na, ay, babe, kanang, nagbulag naman ni, kanang dugay na kay ni nagbulag, oy, ana, nya, di ay to, legally married, di ay to, na ay ka-live-in. Dayon, and the next week, balaan na lang sa bag-o nga bayi nga nagkuyugay ra daig gyapon sila, okay ra daig gyapon sila, nag-away lang gyud sila. So okay, so muna siya diferensya nilang duha. So which is which, although dili man gina maayo, pero that's the difference. Okay, so muna nga ang mga Pilipino ipadaot kay mawat man di man nasakitan pang bayi kay medyo kapuhon biya sila. So that's it. Okay, so yeah, thank you. My name is Mary. Have a great day.